Which one is that? What is that?
Ice crystals.
Ice crystals. Okay.
Sugar crystals. Ice crystals.
Which level is this, Mrs. Colette?
Now I have to find the cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
I'm assembling them.
Whose wedding is this?
Yeah. All she knows about is Colette's kitchen stuff.
Colette's kitchen.
So anything that does not
Why are you doing this today?
Wedding anniversary.
Wedding anniversary.
In Nigeria.
Okay, did take in Nigeria. That's cool. This is made from Colette's kitchen, guys. So beautiful. Look how it is yummy. Wow. I feel like eating everything right now. Wow. Guys, look at this. Wow. This is good. Yummy. Wow. Look at these cookies. So cool. Colette is doing her thing. The main event here is they are celebrating 10 years in marriage. They are renewing their marriage vows. Colette Kitchen was here to do the cake for the day, and you can see everything on this table was done by Colette's Kitchen. Colette's Kitchen, how do you feel right now? Look at what you did. So many people are gonna come here today to enjoy what you have done. These beautiful cakes, cupcakes, is it donuts? I can see so many things here, so many yummy stuff, food to eat. So how did you put this together? So,
but I thank God for His grace.
Wow.
The secret is early preparation.
Early preparation.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
Very early and you are focused on achieving.
That's good. Guys, this is so beautiful. You can look at it. Look at the cake. Wow. I feel like eating everything here, and everything here was done by this young, vibrant, beautiful lady, Wow. Everyone is doing their thing here to make it more beautiful,
Yeah.
Everyone is helping, doing what they want to do. We have designers here, you try to make it more beautiful, even in Colette's Kitchen, some helping hands there, Guys, you wanna invite Colette's Kitchen to come to your event, to come and handle your event, to do cakes. And look at this table. Look at this. So rich. The content, the colors, everything is unique, I love this. You guys like it? Is it good? Kijk on Yuba.
I'm so thankful to my them on my own, from YouTube, from Pinterest, from Google. Just believe in yourself. Whatever you want to do, you can achieve it if you have the push. And I also want to thank my husband for always being taking care of the two little toddlers while I'm in the kitchen from morning till night. I'm really grateful. Thank you. So I'll just do a little introduction of what we have here. As you can see, the colors of the day were yellow, blue, and red. So everything here were based on the color. So I'll start from here. We have cupcakes, it's vanilla flavor with lemon flavor, and then it has some lemon infusions in there. And then here we have Jello. Kids really like this, and it's called a Jello shot. You just put it in your mouth and take it in. And then here we have cake pops. We have different flavors, and they are really great. It's been made from cake, so it tastes like cake. And here we have sugar cookies. If you take a close look at them, we have the inscription of the couple, Mr. and Mrs. Again. They are written on them. So try to have a taste of this. And here we have the donuts, Cameroonian donut, which we all know. And we have chocolate chip cookies over here. These are so rich in flavor and have chocolate in them. So if you're a chocolate lover, grab some, dip them in the chocolate fountain, and then you're ready to go. And then over here we have more of the Jello. We have this here. You can put them inside the chocolate fountain, and it's really yummy. And these are French macarons. That's what we call them. Many people don't know that it's called French macarons. And they're like one of the most difficult things to make. Any little mistake you're off the road and you have to start over again. So I made so many errors that I finally got it. It's milk flavor and vanilla flavor. And now Titorin had a birthday, same one. So that's why we have two cakes here. This one here is her birthday cake. She wanted chocolate, and that's what she got. So, and now to the main dessert of the day. As you can see, the color of the yellow. And down here, you can see their story. The dating period, proposal, marriage, kids. And all over you can see we have the love sign, because that's what has kept the family going for 10 years now. So we are really grateful. And you can see we have up here, we still do, and they will do till they go back. And I have a Facebook page and an Instagram page. I just put what I cook. I also love cooking really a lot. That's like really part of me. So when I cook at home, even if it's the meal for the house, I post a picture, I post what I bake, I try to learn, and it's called Colette's Kitchen. My name is Colette. It's called Colette's Kitchen on Facebook. You can check me on there. And on Instagram, Colette's Kitchen 1. Instagram. I'm just starting the pages I knew, so I really need your support to make my baby steps really big. So for now, I'll invite the couple. Yeah, and then for the cake, here we have vanilla, here we have coconut, and then lemon, just like she wanted. Thank you. So we are going to spell love, because that's the reason why we are here. At the spelling of love, at the end of it, then we are going to cut the cake. Okay, we all spell together. Love, L-O-V-E. Please, Maxi, Melvis, Estelle, Tonya, Jezebel, I need your help for the cake, please.